Cool. Alright. Are you ready?
Tell them what you're gonna try to
Throw
do.
the action figures. Not that one, but the one that's actually moving. Hold on. I gotta get on this side to crank it.
Hey, I'm gonna saw it. I'm sorry, my favorite action figure.
Don't do your
Oh,
favorite.
yeah, no, that's not.
It'll get skid marks.
Now his head is dirty. I'm gonna do it to Ultron.
Mold something.
When Ultron sees Iron Man on the other side of the bike. Sounds like
That
a motorcycle.
sounds so weird.
How they do sound
Sounds
effects
like
in
a
movies?
chainsaw.
Shaylin, that might actually catch on fire.
When
It's cardboard.
It's cardboard, exactly.
Yeah, it would just burn.
Yeah.
Shannon, crank it up more. When Ultron sees Iron Man on the other side of his bike. Ooh, Iron Man! Ah!
That sounds like a helicopter.
And when you put it on the tire part, it sounds like a chainsaw. Shaylin, crank it up more. And stop doing that. We're gonna catch the house on fire. Crank
Dude,
it up.
alright. All I have to do is, if this catches on fire, is walk to the grass or that puddle right there. It'd be gone.
Shaylin, keep cranking it up. Hey, this is a perfect spot to land. Oh!
I'm gonna title it sound effects with Shaylin and Luke.
I'm just gonna land on this tire like it's not even moving, because it's not even moving. Ow! That hurt.
Let me see him. Trying to run on a treadmill, be like. Trying to run on a treadmill, be like.
What? We all know Miles Morales. It's like when you're like really weak. Oh no, we got all oily. Let me wash it off. You okay now?